Hello friends, welcome back to another exciting video on my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourself. If in 2024 you're thinking to start l- learning the cloud and wondering if I am late in this journey of cloud, then stop overthinking about it. You are not alone. With the tech industry, manufacturing, pharma industry, everyone is moving to the cloud or adopting this cloud culture. Then you are at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to help you to start your journey of cloud into an AWS world. Today's video, we are going to basically talk about best free AWS cloud courses for 2024, which will help you to learn the variety of services provided by AWS and get yourself familiar and kickstart your journey into the AWS cloud world. Before getting into a depth, if you are new to this YouTube channel, I basically try to share my self-learning experience on DevOps tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, and also multiple cloud certifications like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Google Cloud Associate, Azure Fundamentals, Azure Data Fundamentals, and couple of other things on my YouTube channel. So do take out some time and watch that playlist and share with your friends. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. With that said, without much further delay, let's get into the depth of the best free AWS cloud courses for 2024, absolutely free and created by the AWS instructors. So let's get started. So friends, let's get into the first best free AWS cloud course for 2024, and it is AWS Learning Badges. So back in, I would say mid of 2024, the AWS introduced the learning packages. And with help of this package, you can start your journey of learning the cloud with the fundamentals and get more advanced level if you are looking yourself to learn on particular service like serverless, file storage, block storage, object storage. If you are interested to know how can you migrate the data from on-premise to the cloud, then you have data migration learning package. One advantage of this AWS learning package is it has no cost associated with it. You heard, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything to get these packages. And one more good point is you can take this learning package at your convenient time. One more, I would say, add an advantage of to the AWS learning package is it has no expiry date. You don't need to renew the AWS learning packages. You heard right. You don't need to basically renew these packages like you renew the AWS certification after every 3 years. With that said, all you need to do is on the Google, you need to type AWS packages and it takes you to this page. You can see that there are around 116 packages offered by Amazon or AWS to us to get ourselves familiar with the AWS services to learn the cloud fundamentals and get up to the advanced level. With that said, I recently took the learning baggage exam for the AWS Knowledge Cloud Essentials. Back in 2021, when I cleared my AWS Cloud Certification Practitioner exam, at that time there were few services offered by AWS. From there up to now, lot of things have changed. AWS has been introducing new services every year. With this learning baggage, I got familiar with those services from the fundamental perspective as how and when to use that service or what that service offers it. Once you have done this and you're now looking to get more depth knowledge on particular service, like say for an example, Commute, which is one of the service provided by AWS. It's none other than EC2 service. You have a learning baggage for that. If you're looking for the migration foundation, then you have a learning baggage for that as well. So I hope this gave you an idea of where to look for the resource to get yourself start into the cloud world. With that said, now let's move to the second course for 2024, and that's going to be in a minute. So, friends, now the second uh, course for 2024 is if you are tired of watching the videos and want to have some fun and love to play the PlayStations, video games on Xbox, etc., then this course is for you. And it is none other than AWS Quiz Game. This role-based game helps you to get an understanding of the fundamentals and then climb the ladder up to the advanced level. The first game in this role-based game is the Cloud Practitioner, and it's absolutely free. Once you have done that, the later on stages requires you to subscribe so that you can take an advantage of AWS Quiz game and get yourself much familiar with the services offered by AWS. All you need to do is hit the Google search and type AWS Quest. It takes you to this page, and then you can basically enroll yourself for the Cloud Practitioner game, which is absolutely free. I myself have tried this game and I liked it. What benefits you get? You you build a role expertise, learn by doing. It's a fun step by step. Um, and also, it motivates you from the team learning perspective, collaborate and compete with other players as well. Once you have done that, it has more role specific skills offered to you and earn the baggage for that. It has generative AI, solution architect, serverless developer, then you have networking, data analytics, security, machine learning, and a lot of other things. I hope this gives you an kickstart to start your journey in the AWS world. With that said, let's get into the third course offered by AWS, which is absolutely into our next AWS cloud course for 2024 is none other than AWS Cloud Practitioner session, and it is offered by AWS Skill Builder, and it's absolutely free. As you can see on the screen, it's a 6 hours course, and then it has some AWS card clash, which will help you to get your knowledge test. So all you need to do is type AWS Skill Builder, and then it takes you to this page. Don't worry, you do not need to subscribe $29 for month. It's absolutely free. Scroll down. Don't worry, I'm going to paste this link in the job description. And all you need to do is hit this Cloud Practitioner session. And it takes you to this page where you can enroll absolutely free for yourself. What this course is all about, right? And if you can see, this course is around 7 hours and it summarizes the definition of AWS, difference between on-premise, all in cloud, hybrid cloud. Then you have global infrastructure, basic understanding, then 6 benefits of AWS cloud. It talks about the core services like compute, network, database, storage. It also talks about the AWS well architect framework, shared responsibility between the client and the cloud provider. Then it has basics of cloud migration, then cost management, pricing modules, billing, account management, and other stuff. For which audience can take this course? Sales, legal, marketing, business analysts, students, other non-IT professionals as well can enroll for this course. And this course has the outline of what parts are covered in this course. I hope this gives you an understanding of uh, getting yourself familiar with the variety of AWS services and what AWS as a cloud provider offers to its client, and help you to start your journey into the cloud world. With that said, let's move to the next course of AWS Cloud for 2024 in a bit. So, friends, we are almost at the last course for AWS Cloud for 2024, and it is none other than AWS Educate. I'm going to basically walk you through, but before I say this, AWS Educate has lot of courses with lab exercises associated with each and every services. Don't worry, I'm going to paste the link of AWS Educate, where you need to basically sign up for AWS Associate, Educate, which will take 2 or 3 minutes. And after that, in 15-20 minutes, you will receive a mail that you have grant access to this massive education provided by the AWS. So let me quickly walk through this AWS Educate in a sec. All you need to do is go to the AWS Educate website, which I'm going to paste in the video description. But let me showcase you that, see what all courses is offered by AWS with an authentic material, which will help you to kickstart your journey into the AWS cloud world for 2024. So you see, you have an introduction to the management cloud, introduction to the cloud 101, storage lab exercise, compute lab exercise. If you're looking to an artificial intelligence, you have then these many machine learning. If you're looking for some more courses into analytics and other stuff, you have these many courses. All you need to do is select the courses from here. You want into analytics, then you have these many courses. If you want a mixture of both lab and baggage, then you have these many courses. If you are interested in security, you have these many courses offered by AWS, and these are all freely available, which will help you to kickstart your journey into an AWS cloud world in 2024 and help you to be in the race with others and get yourself familiar and upskill yourself with the cloud knowledge. I hope this video was helpful, and if you feel it has been informative and would help you to kickstart your journey of cloud in 2024, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends, colleagues who are looking to start their journey of cloud in 2024. Until then, take care. Bye bye.